Kick the habit. Sharon Hornells here. Welcome to day 1713 of documenting my journey, primarily as I went from the offline brick and mortar corporate world of business to the online world. I decided I needed to find a way, given my vision challenges, to document my journey. And it's easy to just hop on and talk about what's working, what's not working in the different business areas and assets of my life. Now, today, Facebook is continually changing. They've gone to a new format where each page becomes its own profile, and as such they say it doesn't change anything, but it absolutely does. You lose all your links, you lose links to other social media platforms and things, and I'm still untangling and figuring out how to connect some of those, but I've got other things going on that are more important and higher priority. So fixing those little broken things, like today there was some new changes with how to link to pages, how to go to page stories, how to do groups, etc. And I'm not going to freak out about it at all. I'm just going to figure it out another day, because today I've got other things to work on. So our topic for both Supersize Your Business as well as this year's annual BU 365-day challenge to do one thing every day that improves us, our topic was habits and kicking the habit. Whenever you research anything online, you find a lot of different information, similar information, but a lot of different versions of that same information for how to do something, especially how-to information. So how to kick a habit. If you need to kick a habit, if you want to kick a habit, if you want to change a habit, there's anywhere from 3 to 14, 15, probably 25 ways to kick a habit. But I shared a couple. In the annual challenge, I shared 14 different steps and ways to kick a habit. In Supersize Your Business, I shared some stories about habits and things I needed to change in my businesses as well as in corporate America, and processes we used to go about those, and tips of things that worked and didn't work so well. I guess I didn't share a ton of things that didn't work so well. I mostly shared things that have worked for me in the past. So today, think about what is one habit that you would like to change in your life, and then what are some of your good habits. We've all created good habits in our life, and we've all created bad habits in our life. Some of them we've actually overcome and kicked, and we can think about, well, what process did I use for kicking a particular habit? Or you can Google it and go online and you can get like 5 steps. You know, avoid tempting situations. 2, replace unhealthy behavior with more healthy behavior. 3, prepare yourself mentally. 4, enlist the help and support of others. Or 5, reward yourself. Now, to create a good habit from a bad habit, just like bad habits form, we can create good habits in the exact same way by using reminders or triggers, routines, and the process of things that we make into routines and habits, and then rewarding ourselves when we follow our good routines and habits. So that's it in a nutshell. Again, we could talk about this more. If this is something that you would like help with or want to discuss further, or have a question about, hit me up. Otherwise, I've got movers coming, so I will get you tomorrow.